Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Today, we will address a common issue faced by Thermomix TM5 users when your screen stays completely black. This problem can occur due to a faulty motor or display connection, and if left unaddressed, it may lead to further complications that could hinder your device's functionality. Now, let's dive into the repair process. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement motor, and a pair of tweezers. Ensure that your workspace is clean and organized before starting. First, to open your Thermomix TM5 safely, start by unplugging it from the mains. Use your screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back of the device. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift the back panel away from the device. It may require a gentle pull, but make sure not to force it as you could damage the casing. Next, the component that usually fails is the motor. Locate it within the unit, it's typically situated near the base. You may need to disconnect certain cables to access it fully. Take your time here, gently pull on the connectors to avoid any damage. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you have located the motor, use your screwdriver to remove the screws securing it in place. These screws are usually quite small, so be careful not to lose them. After removing the screws, you can gently lift the motor out of its compartment. Now, take your replacement motor and insert it into the same spot. Secure it with the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tight but not overly so to avoid stripping the screws. Next, reconnect any cables you had disconnected, making sure they fit snugly to avoid any future issues. Once everything is back in place, carefully replace the back panel of your Thermomix TM5 and secure it with the screws. Plug your device back in and turn it on. You should now see the screen lighting up as normal. If it works, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Thermomix TM5. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to regularly check for any loose connections and avoid placing heavy objects on top of the device which could cause strain. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in keeping your Thermomix in good working order. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.